So where is the Google Passwords Manager on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So, well, I guess you might be a little bit confused, because especially if you have used an Android device before, well, in there you literally have it as a separate app, which you can kind of like get inside. On the Play Store, you can see we have the Google Passwords Manager, which you can download and install, but on the iPhone, we simply don't have it available in the App Store. I mean, it still works, you can still use it on the iPhone, but it's not working as a separate app. And in order to actually get there and view it, we have to go through the Google Chrome. Because if you have the Chrome browser installed, right, you probably do, and if not, you can freely get it from the App Store. You can get inside of the browser, click on the option in the top right, like go to your profile, or just, open up like a new tab in here. Let's say you go to Google and stuff, and you want to make sure that you are signed in with your Google account in there. That's very important. But if you do, then click the three dots at the bottom and find the settings right there. And if you go to these settings, you're going to notice a bunch of different things, and one of them is the Passwords Manager. So even though we don't have it as a separate app, we can still access it, and I can scan my face to get inside and kind of like browse whatever I have stored in here. So just a couple of passwords, and yeah, that's the whole thing. You can go to the settings and set up all of the stuff, delete the data, export the data. Yeah, most of the features are also present on the iPhone, but as I say, through the Google Chrome instead of using the separate dedicated app for that purpose only. So that's what I wanted to explain. I hope that I was able to show you how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important.